Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, damsels and dingbats, to another episode of Kerbal Space Program, where you design and build your own spacecraft and hope it doesn't blow up trying to get it into space. Once you're in space, hopefully you don't get lost and sail off into the wide blue oblivion. And if you don't get lost in the wide blue oblivion, hopefully, again, you don't blow up trying to get back to, get your feet back on the ground. So, anyway, last time we played, we went through some of the basics, and we built Spud 2 here, and repeatedly failed to get him into space, simply because he's too powerful and he keeps blowing up. So what I'm going to do is I am going to modify El Spud. So we're going to get rid of... Actually, I need to... I don't know what I'm doing! Alright, we need to get rid of it here, because I'm going to get rid of these big buggies. They seem to be what's causing our problem. We just have a little bit too much oomph, okay? And then we're going to put on these little guys. The little guys. Okay, and then we're going to attach these back on. And let's go to space! Alright, first of all, let me make sure I've got my phases down right. Groovy, okay. T, stabilization, and bye-bye, Jeb. And we're actually a lot lighter now, so hopefully these bottom stage rockets we have will get us a little higher. And we'll kick them off. And then we'll slow down, and then we'll kick the small ones on. Now, this may not get us entirely into space, but it's going to get us at a higher altitude than we've been. And we should be able to get some good research from our goo and from our research pod. So then we can research some more stuff to build a bigger ship to launch Jebediah and hopefully finally actually get us into space. The final frontier, where no Kerbal has gone before. Alright, so we are just about out of fuel. 3, 2, 1, break. Okay. And we're gonna let our speed slow just... Actually, we are nowhere near. Let's just go. Go, go, go! Don't make a liar out of me. Don't do it. I think it's the stratosphere is the top one. So we're reaching the stratosphere. I don't know. Don't blow up. Alright, we did not blow up. So I'm going to break those off, and then I'm going to come up. And if I hit M, and I zoom in here, you see that little arc? This is my pod. This is my apotheosis, which is the highest point of my trajectory. So I got enough oomph that I'm going to make it up to 89 meters, which is not too bad. It's coming down, but I'm gonna wait until I get up there a ways. Slowing down. Alright, that should be good. And now we're gonna zoom in, and we're going to do the ooze. I'm going to recover 9 science from that if I save it. But how much science can I get from this if I save it? I'm going to observe material bay. Open doors. 22 science if I save that. So I'm saving that. Which means we're going to go in. We can only save one. We have to transmit the other one. So I'm only going to get 2.7 from this one. But it's 2.7. Not enough electrical power to transmit my data. Okay, so apparently I'm too far away to transmit it just yet. So let's speed this up so I can get a little closer to the planet's surface. See, I'm still going up. I made it into space, and now I'm going down again. Alright, speed it up a little more. See, this is where the heat shield's going to come in, because I'm coming back in through the atmosphere, And all of that heat is going to stress up underneath the bottom of the ship, which is probably going to make this space capsule, okay, so I flipped over, made a liar out of me. Anyway, this part here is probably not going to survive re-entry, simply from all of the heat. And hopefully when it goes, it doesn't take me with it. But I'm going to come in here real quick and see if I cannot broadcast that goo yet. Transmit. Transmit. Nope. Okay, so can we save it? Review data. Save. Okay, and then we're going to go in here and we're going to do a crew report. Save that. And now, as soon as I slow down, I want to wait for this. I'm getting awful low. As soon as this turns white, I'm gonna... God, I'm going in fast. Oh, man, I just turned into a bullet. I didn't slow down. Well, that was unforeseen. No, that's never happened to me before. Okay, well, did I get anything for that at all, other than killing Jeb? We're gonna try that one more time. That was unacceptable. Poor Jeb. I don't know why I did that. Like I said, I've literally never done that before. I know I'm shaped like a bullet, but still. All right, speed it up. See that right there? That is what I mean about speeding the time frame up. My ship just went bananas. It didn't destroy it. Oh, I don't have this on. That's part of the reason. Da 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 and da 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 da. Don't puke, Jeb. Don't puke. Jeb. All right. Well, that was a fucking stupid launch. Let's see if I can at least get some data here. Yeah, that's better than nothing. Better than nothing. And the crew report. Transmit the crew report. All right. Well, that did not accomplish what we were going for whatsoever, but I didn't blow up. I did manage to get some science out of it. Jeb's alive. So, that's a successful mission. I'm going to let it come in and land on its own, because once again, if I speed it up, it's probably going to make a liar out of me. With the debris blowing up. Alright, so I'm looking at, what did I get for that? All those records, okay. Throw that out. 400 meters to Earth, or excuse me, Kerbal. I don't have to have that stability assist on anymore. I'm just a shell of my former self. What is that? Oh, spud debris that didn't blow up. Can I look at it? No, but I can target it. That's weird. I don't think this game has weapons in it. This is Star Wars version .0001 Alpha. That would be a cool name for a Star Wars movie, though. I mean, really. You can't deny it. Alright. Hurry up and land, buddy. You can't do it! Jebediah! View. Internal view. Yeah, you can do that too, but I don't normally do it because, really, I can't see anything. And you can't interact with any of this, so, kind of pointless. And I don't remember how to get out of this view. Alright, it took me forever to figure out how to get my view on my ship back out. For your guys' information, V, I guess for view. We're going to recover the vessel. See what we earned. 1.6 science for the mystery goo. 17.5 for the material study while flying in Kerbal atmosphere. And 8 for 0.8 for recovering the vessel. Okay, next. Jebediah didn't get any experience points for that debacle. Alright, so we're going to go to the research and development. Because I want... What do I want? Big rockets. Alright, so I want this. Even though this aerodynamic stuff here would be nice. I'm going to go this way simply because I want these radial decouplers. That way, when I break my ship off, it doesn't like... Yeah, well, I'll show you. So, research this. I've got 13 left, which is not going to be enough for... Nope. Okay, so we're going to go back in here and we're going to do some redesign. First of all, I want to save this portion. No, I don't. I'm getting rid of everything from here down. And we're going to go into structural, and we're going to take our radial decouplers. And let's do 3 of them. Like so. Then we're going to go in here, and we're going to take... what do I want? Yeah, I guess I'll take these and we'll put them on here. Like so. And then we're going to take these, put them on here. And then we're going to take those, and we're going to put them on here. And then we're going to aerodynamicas, just like this. Just like thus. And then we are going to... Got all our science stuff on there. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Actually, I want structural. I want this... I don't, no, okay. So, we're going to call this Spud 3. We're going to launch. Hopefully this time we can get into space. This time we're going to be smart. And we're going to go T. And launch. Oh, I forgot to check this. Thankfully it's set up properly, otherwise we could have had an issue. Now you can drag and drop and move this stuff around while in flight, but it's just a pain in the butt. I don't care about this right now. I want to watch the Spud go into space. Kind of an ugly little critter, ain't he? Wow, I got a lot of goo containers on here. Why did I do that? And brake. And we are climbing quick. This is not where I want to be having a lot of speed. If I can get past this line right here and get up into here, then I'll activate them. Just about now. Whee! Go Jeb, go Jeb, go Jeb, Jeb, go Jeb, 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 go Jeb, Jeb. And brake. Yeah, see that? Spit that out to the side like that. Now how far up did we go? 160. A little over 160 meters. Because this is, as I'm going up, I'm losing speed, so my projected apotheosis is going to drop. So, that was awesome. We are technically in space. We don't have enough fuel and or rockets or anything along those lines to actually get ourselves into orbit, which would be one of the next objectives, of course. But it's 10 science. And then I can get science from the crew report. I get 5 science either way, so I'm going to see if I can't get it beamed down. Alright. And then we're going to come down here and observe the material bay. 25 science. Keeping that. Alright, so now all I gotta do is wait for the uncontrolled descent back to the planet. So, let's see if we can speed it up a little bit without destroying ourselves. Still going up! And now we're going down. Whee! And hopefully I don't turn into a bullet and point towards the ground again, because that's gonna suck a nuts. Right here, this is telling you you can put the chute out, but wouldn't suggest it. As you can see, I'm entering the atmosphere now. And we're going to start getting some of that friction burning up off the bottom of our ship as we see here. That's why I need the heat shield down here. We're going to really hit some turbulence in here. That's usually where we lose this. Now I am... Oh, I turned into a bullet. That's not... No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. I'm going too fast. I'm going too fast. Okay, we're cooling off. We're cooling off. I don't want to burn out the chute, but I gotta get the chute out. Oh, that sucked. Something about that design. It's just like it wants to nose down and be gone. Oh, I know what I can do. Yes, indeedy, feed the needy. We're gonna try this one more time. We're going to go back to the assembly bay. What we're going to do is we are going to... First of all, we don't need both these goo containers. We're going to take this over here. We're going to come in here. We're going to put another one of these. Because once I gather the data from this, I don't need to take it with me. So, primary burns, break. Secondary burns, break. We'll put this break up here. I don't want them to break at the same time. Okay, and the launch. We're gonna do it this time. That's very special. Okay, Jebediah. T minus 3, 2. Haha, psych. Alright, up we go. Let's get rid of this crap. I don't need this crap right now. That's useful like when you're trying to get into orbit or whatnot. Or if you're trying to manually steer this creature. Like I said, I don't do that. I let Jeb do it, so I'm not worried about that right now. Plus, it makes it easier when I have that close to see my pretty ship. Go, Spuddy! Spuddy, Buddy, Spuddy, Buddy, Spuddy, Buddy, yay! Hi, Winchester. You're not my Spuddy Buddy, but I love you. Alright, so now I have a little bit more weight because of this, but it shouldn't be significant enough to really affect my overall flight. So last time I was able to get into the upper atmosphere off just those initial rockets, and then I lit these just inside, and I was good. So I should be able to repeat that now. And drop. Okay, so should have the same 160. So I want to speed up just enough to try and get up there. 160. Okay, a little more. Let's change the view. You go away. Am I still going up? Up, but away! Okay, that should be good. Alright, I'm going to come in here. Do my science stuff. First of all, we'll do this. We'll recover that 25. Then we're going to do this. Break that off. That's going to cut our weight in half. so that when we re-enter, we're not going in at such a fast speed. So let's do the crew report. There's another 5, but I'm going to transmit it. See a little transmission antenna sticks out here. Transmitted. And then the goo. Another 10 from that. Now, I think you can only save 1, but I might be wrong, so we're going to find out. If I'm right, I just killed, sacrificed 15 freaking of my... I'm way up here! Kind of looks like Africa, doesn't it? A little bit, maybe. Alright, so I want to speed this up. See, here you can click and go to the Space Center. Do stuff around in the Space Center. So, like, if this guy's in orbit, orbiting around, you can go back to your Space Center, build another ship, and then launch it. And the other one will just be floating around up here until you want to use it for something. Or you can, I think you can build docking things. So technically, I could launch parts up here and put them together to make a bigger ship to go exploring off into space and stuff. This is really, it's got this cutesy look to it, but it is actually a space simulator. So, so far as I can tell, it's fairly accurate. Why won't it let me speed you up? There we go. I don't want to be up here in space all day. I'm running out of time. There we go! Whee! Alright, speed it up a little bit. Entering the upper atmosphere now. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. I'm going to actually slow it down here because this is usually the point where when I'm in time warp, I end up blowing up. Alright, do not overheat, please. Little guy. You should not have to do that now that I've gotten rid of that research hab. Alright. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. There you go. There you go. That's good. Alright. Getting awful close to the ground. Well, let me use this. Alright, that's better. Yeah. And now. Oh, that's so close to the ground. Did my shield open? Open, 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 open. Open! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is a successful mission. That was a lot closer to the ground than I would have preferred my chute to open. But, I was still coming in pretty hot. I guess it was the angle of the dangle. I went straight up and straight fucking down. So maybe if I, went up at an angle and came back down at an angle, I'd have more time to slow down before I hit the ground. But for now, we've made it. And we made it back, and we got ourselves a... We'll see as soon as I hit the ground here. With old Jub Jub. Jubbity Jub! Boink! And then we can do this, and we can go... where is it? No, I don't want to transfer crew. Oh, EVA. EVA! Hey! There's a Jibby! Jubbity Jub Jub! No, Jub 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 Jub! No, come on. Get down. There's that Jebby! Can you wave, Jebby? Do you wave? No, Jebby doesn't wave. So, but, can I do something here? EVA report. Can I transmit that? Nope, all my energy's used. EVA report, save. Alright, and then we're going to go up here and go recover a vessel. And hopefully they recover Jeb at the same time because he's not in the ship anymore. Sorry, Jeb, you're walking. Alright, so that's... I did not get any freaking science at all because I was right. You can only save the data for one thing. And I did that EVA report and it overwrote all my other saved information. So what a person would want to do is research some batteries to put on your ship so that you can do more than one transmission, and then you're going to want to transmit everything out except your most valuable data. Your most valuable data you would write down, and that way you get the points for all of that. So still no XP. It's hard to get XP for your guys in here, but gives you a goal. For now though, we're going to go ahead and end this here. I've been your host DM Navion saying stay safe, thank you for watching, have fun. I'm out.